to adjust the packing machine. This model is horizontal packing machine. Model name is 215. Right now we already add a few practice field inside. I'm sure for this one you must okay. The problem is how to adjust this. We call it backformer. Normally, when you use the machine, they will add the. If you don't know how to use it the first time, you will add the field inside and very loose. And after you one or two times, here for this rolling or this wheel, we can say you must be like this, deep, and eat all the fuel inside of the machine. And then you cannot make any of empty bag, or you cannot pack or pack any products. Okay, we come back here. For this part, I mean this brake handle, you can lose it in control in front or behind to make this feel very tight like this. It's flat and very tight. Also this one with the angle is also controlled by this. This angle should be very large. So the idea is you lose the brake handle and make it from forward or backward, so that you find the right angle of this one. It should be larger than 100 degrees, and it should be made here. When you touch the practice field, it should be very tight, and you make it feel very flat here. Okay, and then you come back to this way. Right now this backformer is flat, but some of the product you may like a little bit up. It controlled by that two screw here, this big one and this another big one. Okay, you can normally lose the second one, this one, and then take the whole part a little bit deeper here. That means you lose this one and make it a little bit deep, still to make this angle come out. Okay, this is the first part. And the second part is normally the front of this rope is flat, I mean horizontal, with this heater, and the second should be not flat. If you see it very carefully, this one already with a small angle. You can start from very flat, horizontal, and then make it a little bit up of the end. Okay, like here. The practice field come from the front and then pass through the front wheel, and then the heater, and then the second. The second should be have a small angle, like you can very slow to make it up, like 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 15 degrees. Okay, and you can try to lose the screw here and just hold it and move it up like this one. Lose the screw, and then you hold the whole part, and then make it slowly up. Okay, in this idea you won't get the bad like, oh, I part from here and then get down without a product inside. This one is always make your bag a little bit up, so that every bag can pass through and come out. Okay.